Hi everyone, welcome to the show on the rocks. This is Manoj from Fusion 9. Today I'm going to make knockout. It's called Hellbird. It's a mix of 5 white spirits: vodka, gin, Bacardi, tequila, and triple sec. Then orange juice and passion fruit syrup. Let's see how to mix Hellbird. Take the Hawaiian glass, put up some ice, add 20 ml of vodka, 20 ml of gin, 20 ml of Bacardi, 20 ml of tequila, triple sec 20 ml, add passion fruit syrup about 45 ml, then top it up with orange juice. Garnish it with sweet lime. Your drink is ready. Here is a Hellbird. For more interesting knockouts like this, you can drop into Fusion and you can follow us on Facebook. Cheers.